Let's explore this home that was $265,000 by the time of recording this video. Welcome to the charming town of Norridgewock, Maine. I'm thrilled to guide you on a virtual tour of this historic New Englander-style home. Originally built in 1827 and lovingly updated to blend classic charm with modern conveniences. Let's take a look. As we approach the home, take a moment to admire the classic New England architecture. The spacious 1-acre lot offers privacy and serene views of the Kennebec River. A covered porch with a swing invites you to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Nearby, you'll find the detached 2-bay garage with a heated workshop and additional storage upstairs. Let's head inside through the front door, where you'll immediately notice the character of this home. Beautiful floors and original moldings add warmth and charm. The living room is cozy and inviting, with one of 3 fireplaces that add a historic touch. Large windows bring in natural light and offer views of the yard. Adjacent to the living room is the formal dining room, perfect for hosting gatherings or enjoying family meals. The space retains its vintage charm while accommodating modern needs. The kitchen is functional and welcoming, featuring ample counter space and cabinetry. It's ready for you to cook up your favorite meals. On the main level, we have a conveniently located bedroom, ideal for guests or a home office. This heated glass-enclosed sunroom is a standout feature. Imagine sipping your morning coffee here while enjoying panoramic views of the Kennebec River, no matter the season. The first of 2 full bathrooms is located here, equipped with laundry facilities for added convenience. Let's head upstairs, where you'll find 3 additional bedrooms and another full bathroom. The primary bedroom is spacious and includes its own dressing room or walk-in closet, offering plenty of storage. The upstairs bathroom is a true retreat, featuring a heated jacuzzi tub. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. The other 2 bedrooms on this level are generously sized and filled with charm. Back outside, let's take a look at the garage. In addition to the 2-car garage bays, there's a heated workshop space. Whether you're a hobbyist, need extra storage, or work on projects, this space is versatile and convenient. This home offers the best of both worlds: historic elegance with modern functionality. From the sunroom with its river views, every corner of this house has been thoughtfully maintained and updated. It's a home filled with history, ready to welcome new memories.